Hello everyone, my name is Mary. You're welcome to my channel once again, and I am excited to have you back. Today's tutorial is going to be on how to make this lovely sleeve. One of my customers just wanted something extra to be added to her dress. The customer came in and bought this dress and she wants me to add the sleeve to it. So this is how the dress looks like. It's a wrap dress and it has a button there. Just tie it here. I'm sure everybody knows how to do this. So it's not like you tie the bow. Once you tie the bow, you adjust it the way you want it, and you go just at the back. That's how the back looks like. And yeah, so she wants me to add this fabric to the sleeve. So by the time I add the fabric to the sleeve, I'm going to reduce this and it's going to be this bell sleeve. That's exactly what she wants. And because it's a big birthday, it's her birthday, so she wants something dramatic. So I'm going to give her a dramatic sleeve as it is. Alright, so without wasting time, I'm going to take you to the cutting table, and when I finish, I'll show you before and after look of this dress. I hope you like it. Remember to subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, like and share. Okay, I love you guys and I love you. If you don't subscribe, I know you. Please subscribe. Thank you so much for supporting me. I appreciate all of you. Thank you so much. Have a blessed day. Let's go to the cutting table. So I just want to let you know that this video was done in the shop and it was meant to be live, but the noise was also too much, so I decided to do voiceover. So just follow me as I take you to the cutting table and let's get started. It has been so hectic, but everything is okay. Thank you so much for your support. I didn't know I'll get this much support, moving online. I really appreciate. The tools we are going to be using today is going to be this lovely fabric, the ruler, tape, scissors, and my markers. So I have the dress here and I'm going to take the measurement. It was a quarter sleeve, so I'm going to reduce the sleeve like up to 6 inches, and then I'm going to add extra 8 inches of the other fabric to the dress. So if you have any of your old clothes, you can always alter it to fit occasion or recycle it to reuse it. That is what we are all into in this channel. I'm going to be adding 8 inches, like I said, to the sleeve, plus 1 inches for seam allowance on both sides of the extra fabric I'm adding. So I didn't want the video to be too long, so I've gone ahead to cut the fabric already. As you can see on the video here, is 9 inches. That is, I'm folding the fabric into two, so 9 plus 9 is 18. So the width of the fabric is 18, and the total length, which I'm going to use for the bell sleeve, is 45. That's the total length of the whole material. I'm sure you guys are no longer new to making gathers and pleats to clothes or whatever you're making. So I'm going to go ahead and just put a simple gathers, and I'm going to show you what number I use in making my gathers on my journeyman machine. Like I said, I sell journeyman machine. If you're interested, I shipped it all over the world, so make sure you contact me if you're interested in buying journeyman. And if you haven't watched any of my tutorial on how to make gathers, please go ahead and watch. So I'm using number 4 here, number 4 stitch, to make the gathers on my journeyman machine. So all what you need to do is twist it to the numbers. It shows all the numbers on the machine. So pulling gathers is very easy, but you have to be very gentle. This is going to go to the actual body of the sleeve, and then the bottom of the sleeve is also going to look like this when I'm done. So just watch me closely and don't take your eyes off the machine. And please subscribe to my channel, like and share. So I'm going to add that to the sleeve. It is important to use pin to first of all pin to your main fabric to know whether it's set rightly or not. It is very important you pin your clothes or you pin your work together before you start sewing. This will help you to avoid sewing and loosening. And for the purpose of the tutorial is the reason why I'm pinning. So if you just follow exactly what I'm doing, you won't have a problem. It's very easy and it's therapeutic. I like it. I love sewing. It gives me pleasure and you know, releases stress. If you want to be like me, join this club. Join this club. It's interesting. I'm going to be using 2 inches elastic in making this sleeve. I noticed that the sleeve length was a bit short, so I added extra 3 inches elastic. But if you have a full length of the sleeve that you want, you can just fold the sleeve and then put the elastic inside. So this is another way of, you know, manipulating your projects to get exactly what you want. So I'm going to go ahead and sew the extra fabric of the 3 inches, leaving a hole at the bottom. So I've put in the elastic and you can see it has already folded to give me that gathers. Is the elastic. The sleeve is as good as being ready. So I'm joining the elastic together by pinning it, and I'm going to add this elastic now to the sleeve, and as soon as the dress is ready, I'm going to bring it out and show it to you. As you can see, our sleeve is gorgeously ready. No problem, it's looking good. The combination is fantastic. I love it. So if you pull the elastic, it stretches. Of course, the elastic, it has to stretch. So the puffiness is there. So this is how to recycle, alter and reuse your dress. So don't throw away those clothes of yours and you think it's old. You can always take it to a tailor, a dressmaker, and get creative with your dress and still wear whatever you have. So this is the final look of the dress. It's looking gorgeous. The combination looks fab. Give me thumbs up if you like what you're seeing, and thank you so much for staying by to watch my tutorial. In this awesome platform, we don't just teach, you know, show you how to do it. We teach in this platform. If you like what you're seeing, please give me thumbs up, subscribe, like and share, and please see you some other time. Remember to keep watching and keep loving yourself. God bless you.